So what have these guys been up to while the old man's on holidays? He's supposed to be on holidays, but I can't get away from this joint. So have a look at this. Lovely, immaculate 100 series cruiser, or 105 for the aficionados. Just had a turbo system put on. So Baden's just finishing doing the turbo. Got everything sort of back in here, and he's just got to do some final checks and nuts and bolts and make sure all the clamps are right and everything. And then she's all done. So that's a 1HZ, another one turbocharged. We take a look over here. There's the dirty old bits of header pipe. Non-turbo. So tell us a bit about this one, Baden.
This one, so it's got 640,000 Ks on it, where the other one only had 190. Both no blow-by, both in immaculate condition considering the age. One's brand new and one's got 600,000 Ks.
It's amazing we can still find them with such little Ks on them, really, isn't it? They're there, but they're disappearing.
Exactly.
Oh well, he's ready to just pull this apart and slop down in there where there's just a manifold, a turbocharge and all the affiliated piping. So you can see it's pretty easy. Air cleaner lid. Pipe goes normally over straight into the engine. If we just go over and have a quick look at what's been done on this one. Air cleaner's been rotated around one notch. So you can virtually say it's done for it. And that pipe that was connecting those two goes now down to the turbocharger, sucks the air there, and the turbo pushes it back towards the engine. So the engine has got 6 injectors and a pump. Plenty of fuel, no need for bigger injectors, no need for bigger pumps. It is not a petrol, it is a diesel, but it needs air. All diesels need air. You can see more of these videos about turbocharging your diesel 1HZ or TD42 or 3L or 5L or whatever it is, right here on the Berrima Diesel Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, or look us up at berrimadiesel.com where you can find out more about looking after your diesel.